Hey everyone, welcome to this quick and easy guide on how to withdraw money from the Worldcoin app to Binance in 2025. If you're diving into crypto, this step-by-step tutorial will help you transfer your funds smoothly and securely. Let's get started. First off, before you begin, make sure you have the Worldcoin app and Binance app installed on your device. Your accounts should be fully verified, and you need to have some balance in your Worldcoin wallet. This ensures everything goes without a hitch. Step 1. Open the Worldcoin app and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Assets section to view your available funds. Step 2. Look for the Withdraw or Transfer button. It's usually easy to find. Tap on it to start the process. Step 3. Select the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw, like WLD or another token supported by both apps. Then, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Remember to check for any minimum withdrawal limits to avoid issues. Step 4. In the destination field, choose or paste your Binance wallet address. Double-check this to prevent any mistakes. Crypto transactions are irreversible. Step 5. Review the transaction details, including any fees involved. Network fees can vary, so keep an eye on them to understand the total cost. Step 6. Hit the Confirm button and wait for the transaction to process. This might take a few minutes, depending on the blockchain network. Step 7. Once it's done, open your Binance app and check your wallet. Your funds should appear shortly. Yay, you're all set. A quick tip. Always use secure networks and enable two-factor authentication for extra safety. If you run into any problems, contact support from either app. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you next time.